Like many of the companies you love, 7th Floor Vapes, makers of the legendary Silver Surfer vaporizer, was started in a garage in Colorado Springs, Colorado. When Steve Kelnhofer, founder, owner, and inventor of the SSV, established 7th Floor, he had a vision to be a leader in innovation and to create a family-oriented mom-and-pop shop to be pioneers in the vaporizer industry. To this day, the SSV name is synonymous with durability, affordability, and American-built quality. Since our start, we've been seen in movies like Harold and Kumar in the Evil Bong franchise, and in TV series like Viceland and Workaholics, and magazines like Dope, Culture, and High Times. We've connected with countless bands, actors, comedians, and other influencers to help us sell over 250,000 of our customizable, innovative, and easy-to-use vaporizers in over 40 countries worldwide. We've even come to be known for our stellar customer service. Our glassblower-owned, Colorado-proud, family-built company strives every day to be the greatest vaporizer company in the galaxy. Thanks for being part of the 7th Floor family.